Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. There are a couple of moments that we would like to talk about and to attract your attention to these moments. Well, on the daily chart, we do not see any drastic changes, so you can see market still stands in a downward direction. Yesterday, by the way, we have got this final small acceleration down, so market has abandoned the range of this drop. As you can see, on the market stands more than a week inside of this range of this candle. Now market's trying to move lower. Anyways, we said our analysis mostly is based on the short-term perspective. Mostly is based on this ABCD pattern that points on 1135 area, and these major lows of this year is 1130. Yesterday, as you can see, market has hit the next target in long chain of the targets. So that stands with the spread of the 10 bucks. So first it was 1160 and 1150, now 1140. This target has been hit yesterday. So now the final short-term target is 1130, 1135 area. So you can see market right now is challenging again the 1140 lows, but the pace of downward direction is a bit slowed down, and but still we think that market should hit the 1130 area. Mostly because, as you can see, market stands with this ABCD. Since it has passed already through the 618 minor target, right now it stands between the 618 and 100% extension, and also it stands very close to the final target. It's very low chances that market will turn to the upside and left behind this target. Also, guys, one of the habits of the gold market, it likes to clear out, it likes to wash out the significant lows. Gold market, very rare, exceptional rare, left behind important lows or highs without washing out the stops around it. So first level is 1140, but major target for the gold market, of course, these lows of the year of the 2014, 2015. That's the lowest level. And of course, a lot of stops have been placed there, and that's the destination that market probably should take it out. That's why we think that the chances of the breakout of this level is very significant. But meantime, in the short-term perspective, we are watching for and expecting reaching first this area. Probably it should happen soon, maybe even on the current week. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, you can see that market still stands with this downward channel. We have two different patterns. First pattern is this big butterfly with the 618 extension. It's 1135, and also you could recognize this minor butterfly here with the same targets. 1618 will stand around 1135 as well. That's probably will be the next destination. The one thing that we would like to attract your attention to is this divergence with the possible divergence with the MACD. We're not sure that we will definitely get it, but if we will get it, this could become the sign that maybe market will form some sort of the 3 drive. For example, if market will hit the 127 extension of this butterfly, first shows retracement up, that could become the first drive. This will be the second, and that could be the third, particularly in this area. That could happen theoretically. So keep an eye out on keep watching on this possibility, because gold market likes very often to show the visuality of the possible reversal before hitting the significant targets. I'm trying to explain you how usually it looks like. So gold market is the very cunning market. So this is most difficult market for trading is the gold. In gold market, very often when it approaches to the significant level, and 1130 no doubts is very significant low. How usually market works? So for example, market will complete the internal targets of these butterflies, this ABCD, and will hit 1135. Probably it also will complete this 3 drive. So 3 drive and all other patterns are reversal patterns. And gold market very often shows the visuality of the possible reversal. It shows even some thrusting action to the upside for some time, and makes the visuality, makes the some kind of the signs of the reversal. So it looks like the real reversal to the upside. But later it returns right back down and hits the major lows and wash out the stops that not just have been placed below these lows by the long-term traders, but also those traders who were deceived and placed the stops below these targets. They have done correctly, but they have counted on the real reversal. But this hasn't happened. Market returning back down grabs these stops and will grab the stops that have been placed below the major lows. So that's very typical for the gold market. So keep in mind this possibility, and do not be deceived even by these patterns. So if you are an intraday trader, you could take the long position on this area, but you should place the corresponding profit. You should not trade on the intraday charts, take the position on the hourly pattern, and take the profit on the weekly chart. That's, as you understand, misleading moments. So that's why you should take the profit also on the hourly chart. So the market will show the significant retracement, grab the profit, and be happy. That's one of the features of the gold market. So, but this is a bit preliminary talks. So in the current week, we will continue watching for reaching of this area, and also you could watch for a possible free drive. Maybe this will happen, maybe not. It's very difficult to say, but we not exclude this chance. Anyway, our short-term target still stands the same. Scenario around 11:35, 11:30 area.